What's up, Peak Timers? This is the 2019 Hot Wheels Premium Retro Entertainment Batman and Aquaman set. Let's open them up and get a close-up look at them. This set has been provided by granatoys.com. If you want to pick up your own Batman set, make sure you check out the link in the description box below. On the back of each card, it displays all 6 castings that are included in this set. Our first casting is the Batmobile. Car number 2 is the Justice League Batmobile. Number 3 of 6 is the Batwing. Number 4 of 6 from The Dark Knight Rises is the Bat. And number 5 of 6 from Aquaman is Mera Ship. And finally, number 6 of 6 from Aquaman is Black Manta Submarine. After opening up this set, I actually like this set a lot more than I thought I would. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite casting from this set.